Welcome to Place Academy. This is Arnold Dimteka. I just want to show you how to play and predict virtual football. We'll start with the time. So it was match 34. Now let's go back. We see. So we'll target Arsenal. Okay, Arsenal. We'll see how Arsenal played. See Arsenal how played. Go to match days. That was 34. Now we start from 30, 31, 32. Okay, so we'll start from 31, and we'll see. Let's see Arsenal played under 3.5, under 2.5. They played. That is Arsenal versus Everton. Let's go to match 32. Match 32. I just want to give you the picture. Match 32. Match 32. I click match 32 there. So match 32 we have Arsenal. Arsenal played 3 over 2.5 now. Right? You've seen the number, the changing 3. So now let's go back to 32. I mean to 33. 33. Match 33. Match 33 is here. So Arsenal played 4. Arsenal played 4. Okay, so you've seen Arsenal played 4, Chelsea 1. So it was over 3.5 and over 2.5. Let's go back to match the 34. Match the 34. Arsenal played 0-0. Burnley versus Arsenal 0-0, which is under 2.5 and under 3.5. So let's go now to the match, which is Arsenal versus Aston Villa. So the Aston Villa and Arsenal. So go to over under. So over under. So when we look at this, so they will play under 3.5. They put under 3.5 and then you add under 3.5, put that. Okay, let's say 5, you get that. Okay, let's say put that, you get that. Okay, so we put 4, you get that. Okay, so now let's put 150, that is 210. Now okay, let's put 200. So 200, I got that 280. So let's put 1000. That is 1400. Okay, so now the game was started already. You've seen it. So let's go to the match. You see the match has started. Let's see, we said under 3.5, under 3.5, under 3.5. So Aston Villa versus Arsenal, they'll play under 3.5. That is the match that we're looking at, we are targeting according to what I've shown you. So now it is half time now. Okay, that is under 3.5. That's how they play. This team, they play under 3.5. Okay, under 3.5. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel as you are watching this. This is the update from the past 4 months that I was playing it. Okay, as you can see, we've seen their sign. I've seen it the way it is. We've seen the way it is. So now we've seen this. Okay, that is the team, the targeted team I wanted to put on. So and I added that to 1000 for 1000 kwacha. Then I got 1400. That is the capital is the profit is 400 kwacha. You're seeing, so now if you bet on this one, you get, if you follow my method, then you will be the best person to on this virtual football. Okay, so the virtual football, it's very important to all of us. as we can see. So Aston Villa versus Arsenal, you've seen it. That was the targeted team, that is Aston Villa versus Arsenal. So they prayed, as I was saying, they prayed under 3.5. I knew that this team will pray under 3.5, and they prayed under 3.5. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then the number on the WhatsApp is in the description link below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then subscribe to WhatsApp. So the link for WhatsApp is there. WhatsApp only for those on my YouTube channel. They will get the code, they will get the updates every day. Okay, thank you very much for subscribing, and thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and for more predictions. Enjoy your day.